and this is the Sonic X, or the SX-01. Hello engineers, developers, and friends. Welcome to another episode of DevKit Weekly. We are here live at Embedded World 2026, and we're bringing you some of our favorite dev kits from here in our DevZone, in our booth. Now, you may be watching this weeks or even months later, but that's okay, because this is still important and interesting stuff. So thank you for joining me here on DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design. It's called the Instant Sleep Support. It allows you, they say, to rebalance body and mind to a natural rhythm, and basically it's a sleep machine that produces noise across a variety of frequencies. They say it helps you sleep better and makes your sleep smoother, more restful, and really recharges you for your day. As you can see here, it's a lovely looking box device here that you would set out, and it would be a speaker and play the sound that you need. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode live here of DevKit Weekly from Embedded World 2026. And we're going to have a lot more coming to you from 2026 Embedded World. So don't go away. Make sure that you've liked and subscribed. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of DevKit Weekly or any of our shows here on YouTube. And I'll see you all real soon. Have a great day.